Racing just is started. We have Mega Red. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up Aria, Zara Chikatsu in the middle portion. Hyper Franco, Marcus Wolf. Down on the inside, Perfect Material. September Morning, Magisterium. Virtual Angel is Marias, while Lucky Lorky is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Mega Red followed closely by Echikatsu. 4 lengths further back in third comes Hyper Franco, Marcos Wolf. Then next online September Morning, Magisterium, Perfect Material, Virtual Angel is Marias, while Lucky Lorky is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Mega Red followed by Echikatsu in second. Hyper Franco now coming closer in third. Then next online now is Marcus Wolf, September Morning. Magisterium comes next, Perfect Material, Virtual Angel is Marias, while Lucky Lorky is still racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mega Red now this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Hyper Franco. Magisterium rushing up on the outside to take second. Last 75 meters, it's all Mega Red. And finally, the curtain closer, Mega Red. Second is Magisterium, Hyper Franco. Then comes Lucky Lorky, Marias, and September Morning.
7 to 11, 10, 9, 6.